The Suzuki Swift made in India and Japan, with 2 airbags as standard, achieved 0 stars. The popular compact car achieved 15.53% in adult occupant box, 0% in child occupant box, 66.07% in pedestrian protection and vulnerable road users box, and 6.98% in safety assist box. The result is valid for the hatchback and sedan versions. The 0 stars result is explained by the poor side impact protection and an open door during the test, low whiplash score, lack of standard ESC, and the decision of Suzuki of not recommending CRS for the test. This model would not pass regulation UN 95 requirements due to door opening. Adult occupant. Frontal impact. The protection owed to the driver and passenger head and neck was good. Driver chest showed weak protection and passenger chest showed adequate protection. Driver and one passenger's knees showed marginal protection, as they can impact with dangerous structures behind the fascia. The other passenger knee showed good protection. Driver tibias showed adequate protection and passengers' tibias showed adequate and good protection. Footwell area was rated as unstable due to asymmetries. The body shell was rated as borderline unstable due to asymmetries, and it is not capable of withstanding further loadings. Side impact. Head and pelvis protection was good, abdomen protection was adequate, and chest protection was poor, leading to 0 points for this test. The rear passenger side door opened during the test. Side pull impact was not performed as the car does not owe side head protection as standards. Whiplash was good, but the car does not follow rear impact. R32 prerequisites. UN R32. The car does not prove to meet the rear impact structure requirements. EAP City. The car does not owe EAP City even as child occupant. The child seat for the 3-year-old child was installed rearward facing using isofix anchorages and support leg and was capable of preventing excessive forward movement of the head. The Q1.5 was installed rearward facing using isofix connectors and a support leg. Both dummies owed good protection for the frontal and side impact test. As the manufacturer declined to recommend CRS for the test, the dynamic score was 0, as the car manufacturer does not have a clear table in the instruction manual showing the positions and CRS mode appropriate for each child age or size, or CRS group installation score was 0. Based assessment score was 0. Disabling the passenger airbag when a rearward-facing CRS in passenger seat was not possible. Pedestrian protection. The car does not prove to meet pedestrian protection UN regulations. The car showed majority of areas with good to marginal protection levels. EBVRU not owed even as optional, as ESC is not standard. Eventually it would not be able to score EAP points. Safety assistance. ESC. The car does not owe ESC as standard. SBR. The car owes only driver SBR. SA. The car does not owe a speed limitation device. Bahamian dollars. The car does not owe Bahamian dollars LSS and RID. The car does not owe the technology and ment rate must be matched. EB interurban. The car does not have EB interurban and does not have standard ESC. The Swift is sold in Europe with 6 airbags and electronic stability control ESC as standard, while the model in Latin America is not offered with side body and head airbags and ESC as standard. The Latin American version of the Swift still offers standard a lap belt in the rear center seating position despite the well-known high injuries risks of its use. Will you think this is a car for you at the price rate offered by the company? Are you interested in any crash test analysis? Let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you get quality knowledge from this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates.